Shout out to the folks in Shokz for sending out this package to me for review. I have no idea what's in the box since they only said it is a new product. So let's open it up so we'll see. Okay, looks like it's a brand new product indeed. I've heard about OpenRun, OpenFit, OpenSwim, and OpenCom from Shokz, but not OpenMeet yet. As with other Shokz products, this is a bone conduction Bluetooth headset that apparently can also be used by a USB-A dongle. I believe there is also another variant of this that comes with a USB Type-C dongle. We have a quick specs overview here at the back for several languages. OpenMeet is an open-ear headset with a dedicated boom microphone that has a noise-cancelling capability. It is wireless, as mentioned earlier, that can be used through Bluetooth or the dongle that comes in the box, which I assume connects by a 2.4 GHz frequency. Okay, let's tear it up now. I like the packaging. It is very minimalistic and elegant. We have a very simple and small Shokz logo here at the center of the box, and aside from the logo, we have nothing else on any of the side of the box. Let's open it now. Wow, it even comes with its own cute hard case. A really cute hard case. Also minimalistic and elegant, with only a small shiny Shokz logo marking at the front. We have the serial number card here, probably for warranty purposes, and we can see here that the product is made in China. We have two smaller boxes here as well. Let's open the smaller one first. I believe these are the extra pressure relief cushions. We have a medium and large size here. Since the OpenMeet headset is a bone conduction type, these are the cushions for the part of the headset that comes in contact with the head when wearing it. Let's now go to the other inner box, which I believe are the paperworks. Yes, they are indeed the papers. One for legal stuffs. The other one is the user guide, which I'll definitely go through later as this is the first time that I'll be using a bone conduction headset, and also the first time that I'll be using a Shokz product. Then another legal statement documentation. Let's put these papers aside now and let's go to the exciting part. Let's open the hard case. Here we go. Wow, I am really impressed with the packaging here. Very organized and compact. We have the charging cable here that is neatly tucked into that Velcro part. It is a Type-C to Type-C cable. It is thick and feels very sturdy. Looks like a very high quality charging cable. It is thicker and stiffer than the cable from the flagship cell phone's chargers actually. Nice. And we have the USB-A dongle here as well. A pretty much standard looking dongle, which also has its own slot in the hard case. I really love the attention that they put into the hard case. Everything you need for the OpenMeet headset fits perfectly in this cute little hard case. Well done, Shokz. Okay, let's get the OpenMeet headset now. This feels really bendy. It is lightweight, and although there are metal parts here, it feels like holding a bending rubber. Don't get me wrong, it does not feel cheap at all. It feels really premium actually. Maybe I'm just not expecting it to be this bendy, but you have to excuse my ignorance as this is my first pair of a bone conduction headset, and logically, it should really be this bendy to avoid too much pressure to the head when using it. We see the pressure relief cushions here, which you can change to bigger ones if you like. On the right side earpiece, we have the controls. The multi-function button is for power, volume, play pause, and track movement. We also have the busy light indicator in the right side, and the button at the edge of the microphone boom is for answering or rejecting calls. And we have another button at the far end of the boom microphone for mute and unmute functions. The contact point for the bone conduction tilts, which makes it versatile to any head shapes. The boom microphone can rotate up to around 150 degrees, which is good enough to reach most people's mouth. The left earpiece has no controls or buttons, and of course also have that tilt. The OpenMeet headset can also extend for about 1 inch on each side for a total of 2 inches extension, which I believe is more than enough even if you have a bigger head shape. The headband does not have an actual cushion and instead uses air as its cushion since we have here a shallow high quality rubber that separates the contact between the head and the actual hard part of the headband. Alright, I think that's all I can share to you right now. I am super excited to use this awesome Shokz OpenMeet headset. I will be abusing it for music, calls, work, and everything in between. Then I'll be sharing all my experiences to you in a separate video soon, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No bear.